Hi, it's Nathan here, and today we're talking about safety management systems in manufacturing. So common manufacturing environments that we see are things like metal fabrication, heavy engineering, food processing, chemical processing. Hazards or typical hazards, things like forklifts, stationary plant, conveyors, hazardous chemicals. So I'll post a link in the description to a video on the core documentation that should be in every safety system. In addition to that, in a manufacturing environment, you're commonly going to see things like SOPs for stationary plant, lockout, tagout procedures, hazchem training, safety inspections, guarding inspections. One note on manufacturing, particularly metal fabrication, is every single metal fabrication workshop I go to will have some particularly nasty chemicals, carcinogens, mutagens, chemicals that damage sperm cells, chemicals that damage unborn fetus, and they'll have them mixed in with the other chemicals and no one will know they're there. Things like brake clean, heavy duty degreasers, really nasty stuff. So beware of that one. I see it every place I go. Hope that helps. See you next time.